Yes, it is Stephen Somtochukwu here. In this video, I'll be showing you on how you can remove an object from a picture or a picture from an object. I'll be using this Chrome browser for this tutorial. So I will click on the Chrome browser application and search for the end paint and tap on the enter button, and I will select this first option that says in paint. When I select on it, the website come up and I will be asked to upload the photo, the JPG, PNG or web page photo that I want to use. You click on this upload and upload the image. Select the image you want to use. I selected this one and I click on done. The image you load and load off in a full screen. When it load off, it is loading off. Then you can erase and you can clean up the area you don't want. Let me just clean up this circle. Happy birthday 28th March. When I'm done cleaning it up, I will click on this erase button at the top here. When I click on the erase button, it will erase the area I selected. Now you can see it has erased the area I selected, and when I'm done with everything, I can click on download button to download the output of what I did. Then you can select on download low resolution. But if you want to download the high resolution, which means you need to purchase for a premium version, but for this tutorial I'm using a free version, so I will click on download low resolution, and the picture will be downloaded and saved in my file. So this is how to use the ink paint to erase an object from a picture. Thank you very much.